So this is the method of application of any stimulus. Where you have to apply the stimulus? According to the reflex. As it is the plantar, so it will be given on the plantar portion of the foot. Another point of the examiner have to follow. The examiner will be very calm and quiet and be very sympathized and friend. Be a friend with the person or the patient to whom he is going to examine. If anybody did not follow like that way, the examination will not be in good. So you have to follow it. What to do? On the plantar region, by the hammer. The hammer has got some parts I have discussed in the previous class. In the identification part, the hammer. The hammer should have a blunt region, and that blunt region is to be passed through the plantar. Normally the plantar response is that this is the big toe, these are the big toe. The big toe will move towards the plantar. Normal response of the plantar reflex that big toe will move towards the plantar region. If it moves towards this, plantar means towards the roof, floor. If it moves towards your body, that is the dorsiflexion. So if the finger will move this way, this is the plantar flexion. If it is moved like this way, plantar flexion. If it moves this way, this is the dorsiflexion. Likewise in the ankle. If it moves like this towards the body, that is the dorsiflexion. If it moves like this, that is the plantar flexion. This plantar flexion and dorsiflexion is only found in the lower extremities, joint movement. This will not happen in the upper extremities, joint movement. Babinski was the scientist who had first observed this type of the response. On the basis of that, this response is called either negative or positive. In normal person, normal human being, this test is negative. In abnormal human being, that means in the disease condition, it will be the positive. The normal response of the plantar is plantar flexion of the big toe, dorsiflexion of the ankle. If it is opposite, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion of the big toe and other toes fan, and dorsiflexion of the ankle, that is called Babinski sign positive. Okay, so how to do? Ask the subject to close the eyes. आप आंखें बंद रखिए और एकदम ध्यान न रखें कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ना देखने की कोशिश करेंगे. Now what you have to do? You have to do like this. Have you seen?
1 second.
There is slight movement occurs in the big toe towards the.
Sir, 1 second. Yes.
So it moves towards dorsiflexion नहीं होना चाहिए, plantar flexion होना चाहिए.
डॉर्सी हो रहा है सर, डॉर्सी हो रहा.
Dorsiflexion.
यस सर.
Yes, dorsiflexion is the normal response. Plantar flexion is the abnormal response. And so this is the plantar flexion. Now comes the So abdomen is divided into three parts. Upper abdomen, middle and the lower. Above the umbilicus, upper abdomen. At the level of umbilicus, middle abdomen. And below it, lower abdomen. So you have to scratch it. Scratch, how to scratch? So there is a movement. You
Yes.
have observed it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Observed it?
Yes, sir.
And the lower abdomen like this, like this. So this is the way of abdominal.
1 second, sir.
Abdomen. ठीक epigastric थोड़ा if I strike it over the epigastric region there is slight movement it is not very easy to show so the epigastric reflex anal reflex you cannot cornea whenever I will touch the cornea there is the blinking of both the eyes this is the corneal. This is the corneal, okay? Pharyngeal I cannot show you. At the very better.
बैठ जाओ. यहाँ पे, सर.
खड़ी मुंह खुली बोलिए नहीं बोलिए whenever I ask the person to say there will be the movement of the short palate. Short palate is related to the region over the uvula, in front of the uvula. Bola?
1 second.
So this is the palatal. जीभ निकालिए और जोर से जोर से तो वहां पे एकदम अंदर में जो है यू टच इट यू हैव सीन इट इफ सम फूड बोलस एंटर इन योर mouth during the swallowing, if it automatically touches over that, you have some sensation of vomiting. That is the gag reflex or the pharyngeal reflex.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
So उंगली डालते हैं तो फिर उल्टी होती है.
हाँ उंगली डाल के उल्टी होती है तो उंगली कहाँ तक पहुँचती है वो फेरिंग्स तक पहुँचती है जिस कारण वो आपको
वो मीटिंग जैसी कंडीशन आती
that is called the gag reflex.
है. गैग रिफ्लेक्स.
So these are all the superficial reflex. Now the deep reflex absolutely related to the tendon. First of all, maxillary or jaw jerk. Jaw jerk. There are so many ways. You ask the subject to open your mouth slightly. आंखें बंद रखिए. थोड़ा सा इतना मुंह नहीं इतना सा आंखें बंद.
1 second, sir.
थोड़ा सा मुंह को बहुत छोटा करिए और छोटा बाहर आंखें बंद रखिए. So the response should be the closure of the mouth.
Yes.
It is not happening. Person is very conscious now. So this is the maxillary jerk. Bicep jerk. Ask the subject. आंखें बंद रखिए उधर देखिए. To relax the hand over you. Feel the tendon. Tap over the tendon. Flexion, I have flexed the joint,
Yes.
it will be extended slightly.
इसमें थोड़ा सा है.
So this is the biceps jerk, triceps, it will extend. Supinator,
Yes, sir.
this is the supinator. Again, you have worn this You come here, you will do it.